So y'all know how I'm always making those gooey butter cakes. Well, I'm gonna share a recipe with you. We are gonna make gooey butter cake balls, and we're gonna form them into cookies. And you won't believe how good they are. So, just like the original gooey butter cake, this is so easy. I've got a stick of butter that's been softening at room temperature. I've got an 8-ounce package of cream cheese that's at room temperature. Come on out of that, baby. I'll be right back. I just need a knife to get all 8 ounces of my cream cheese. Okay, so we're gonna beat this until it's smooth. And then we'll add our egg and incorporate that real well. And then we'll add our cake mix. And you'll want to make sure that those 2 items are at room temperature, because it would be very, very hard to beat if it wasn't. So now we're going to add our 1 egg. Oh, that looks good and smooth. So, the next thing is going to be our cake mix. And I think there's a couple of different flavors of chocolate out there in pre-made, prepackaged cakes, like a chocolate and then maybe a devil's food. Okay, this is the devil's food, so it's going to be real chocolatey.
There's also like double fudge. I mean, there's
yeah. Okay, now I'm going to add the other half. Just makes it a little bit easier, y'all, not dumping the whole bag in at one time. Stop for a second and just bring everything down to the center of our bowl so it can all get mixed up. All right, I slung that off the best I could. Now, at this point, it tells you to put it in your refrigerator and chill it for 2 hours, because we're gonna roll our cookies into balls. So 2 hours. But you're not gonna have to wait 2 hours because Miss Teresa is so daggum good at her job.
And it was such a hard dough to make.
Isn't it hard? And I'll divide this up among my grandchildren and let them make their own cookies. How about that? All right, let me wash my hands because I done been licking my fingers. So we're gonna bake these, y'all, on a ungreased cookie sheet. And you want to just, I'm sorry, Teresa.
Oh, I'm just going to move some of this out of your way.
Okay. Make room for a cookie sheet.
Absolutely. The most important.
So, you'll want to scoop up like a tablespoon of batter. And you can see.
Do you want a big one or a small one?
I think a big one. Teresa, if you want to help me, that would be great.
Okay.
You know, it's.
Let me wash my hands.
It says not to grease it. So, you know, I just like greasing my stuff. This is a messy job.
Oh, we roll them and we'll come back.
Yeah, that's good. It's boring watching me roll, isn't it?
So we're rolling them in powdered sugar after each one. I wash my hands.
I wash mine too, and I'm gonna need to wash them one more time. Or that may take 2 more times.
Yeah, that might.
You got the clean job. Okay, y'all. Now, everybody that knows me knows that I'm a nut lover. So, this little sheet is mine. I put nuts in it. But you know, you can put whatever is your favorite thing. These are all plain, so I don't have to worry about, you know, the little children. So we're gonna put these in the oven, a 350-degree oven, and we're gonna bake them for 12 minutes. Then we're gonna bring them out and we'll probably sprinkle them with just a little bit more powdered sugar. So y'all, they turned out so pretty, and I'm just sifting a little powdered sugar on top of them, which, I mean, that's not even necessary. I'm so glad I sprayed my pans. So it's not necessary because they look so crinkled and so pretty, but a little bit more sugar won't hurt anything, will it? So these will remain soft and gooey in the center, just like a gooey butter cake. But you do want to let them cool. And I'm going to be delivering these to grandchildren in just a few minutes.
They're going to be thrilled.
As soon as they cool, yes. Yes. Out here on the island, I'll deliver. Yum. Yum, y'all. It was so easy. If you love the gooey butter cake, this is your recipe. With love. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.